Hey Marcus, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick video over to you outlining how you could generate more clients for your business. I apologize for the delay in getting this to you. It's been a crazy last couple of days. So first off, what I wanted to show you, I know you guys do not currently have a website for your business. So I just wanted to show you an example of a website I recently built here for a concrete contractor out of San Diego. So first off, what you really want to be focusing on as far as what's going to help you guys with conversions and your rankings for that website. So click to call buttons are awesome. People are doing mobile search a lot these days. So having these click to call buttons on here will allow them to automatically connect with your business right from their mobile devices, which will be fantastic for you guys for your conversions. Another thing is your contact forms. So I do have a contact form here also, but having this contact form on every page, and especially on the home page, having it up here near the top will really help with your guys' conversions. Just because people are really, they don't care what's on the website. They want to know what company can come out there and give them the best bid, in the fastest amount of time. So by having this contact form up here at the top of the website will allow people to get that information in without having to search through your site trying to figure out how to get a hold of you. The last thing is the amount of content you have on this homepage. So really there's 200 different factors Google looks at for deciding whose website's going to be in the top ranked spot. One of those is content. And with that content, you really want to make sure you have those search terms or keywords that you really want your business to be found for intertwined within that content to make sure when people are making these searches that you guys are the ones that are getting pulled up for that. But overall, the website really doesn't have to be anything too in-depth. You're just trying to get into that top spot to where you guys can get, more requests out there for you guys to come out there and give them quotes. And offer your services that your business has. So looking at keywords, there's a couple different keywords I found here today, but the biggest one was Birmingham driveway. So there's currently 500 searches per month for this search term, and it has a relatively low difficulty overall. So you guys could definitely get into that top spot in a short period of time. And this is 500 for the United States. There's a Birmingham, England, which you'll kind of see that here in just a sec. So there was some weird stuff with this, but there is definitely a lot of search volume for people looking for people to come to their driveway in the Birmingham area. So looking at Birmingham driveway, this is what I was talking about. It gets a little bit weird. So looking at the GMB, this is awesome for you guys. This is a great spot to have your business. You can generate a lot of traffic from having your business in the GMB or the Google My Business. This one's actually pulling up for Birmingham, England, which was kind of funny to me. So you're not going to really get a lot of benefit by having your business in that. But again, those 500 searches were coming from the US. So getting your business organically ranked in here. Again, the competition's not that difficult and you could generate a lot of traffic by being in that top spot. Out of that 500, you can count on about 33% of that coming to your website. So that's a lot of search volume that would be coming, looking for you guys to give them, bids for their driveways and stuff like that in that Birmingham, Alabama area. So looking at competition for this, Dixie Asphalt and Concrete is the first one we're going to look at. I don't really include Angie's List or Home Advisor or Better Business Bureau in these because they are direct competitors with Google and their Google ads. So I don't really include them in this at all. So looking at Dixie Asphalt and Concrete, looking at their website, they do have some content on here, but overall it's pretty weak. I'm not really overly impressed with the website or what they have going on here. Looking at the back end of their website, there's a couple different things we're looking at here. So the whole internet is built up upon links, and it's one business linking itself to another business or one website linking itself to another website. So for your business, for you guys to get a link to your website from, say, a concrete contractor here out of Oregon, where I'm based out of, it's going to have a lot more influence and bring you guys up in the rankings a lot faster than if you guys were to get a link to your local Pizza Hut, because you guys don't sling pizzas at all. So definitely that's what you guys want to keep in mind as you're going out and trying to get these backlinks for your business. Concrete contractors, Birmingham was another search term that gets about 70 searches per month. So I did look at them a little bit. So we had talked about this GMB a little bit. The biggest factor for how to get your business into this is what's known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great citation sources you could find would be like Yelp, Yellow Book, Even your Facebook page can count as a citation if you list that business name, address, and phone number exactly how you have it listed here on Google. So for these guys, for example, if they had Birmingham Concrete Contractor and didn't have the S on any of those citations, it wouldn't count. So looking at the citation sources that your competitors currently have, the Concrete Connection has 11 citations. Birmingham Concrete Contractors has 16. So they really don't have many citations out there. And what's cool about this website is you can actually go in here and see all the different citations they have, and we could submit to those. So you can see they have one on Yellow Pages. We could submit your business for that citation as well. MapQuest, we can submit your business. So it makes it really easy to go out there and copy what your competitors are doing. It's not just enough to match what your competition has. You really want to blow them out of the water. So we want to beat them in every way possible. So with that, you would want to, if they have 11 citation sources, you want to do 70 citation sources and just really blow them out of the water. So for you guys, the keys to generating new customers for your business would be, first off, getting a website built out, making sure you have that 1,000 to 1,500 words of content with your guys' keywords, making sure you're using the correct keywords that are really going to generate you guys a lot of traffic, and then pointing backlinks towards that new website you guys have, and really start generating more influential links that are going to move you guys up in the rankings. And then with your guys' GMB, getting those citations pointed towards that'll really start moving that up into that 3 spot. Those are going to be your guys' keys to success and get you guys generating a lot of new traffic. Again, out of that 500, 33% of that could be headed towards your guys' website. So if you're interested in learning more, I'd love to set up a quick 10-minute phone call to talk to you more about your business. Hope you got something out of this. Thank you.